benefits, there are also concerns about the impact of AI and robotics on privacy and security. As AI systems collect and analyze large amounts of data, there is a risk that this data could be used for malicious purposes, such as identity theft or cyberattacks. In addition, there are concerns about the potential for AI and robotics to be used for surveillance and control. To address these concerns, it is important to develop ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI and robotics technologies. This includes ensuring that data privacy and security are prioritized, as well as ensuring that AI and robotics are developed in a way that is transparent and accountable. One of the potential impacts of AI and robotics is the transformation of the workplace. AI and robotics can automate many tasks, freeing up workers to focus on more complex and creative work. This has the potential to increase productivity and efficiency, but it could also lead to job displacement and a shift in the job market. To address this, it is important to invest in education and training programs to ensure that workers have the skills needed to adapt to the changing job market. AI and robotics also have the potential to significantly impact the environment. For example, AI-powered energy management systems can optimize energy usage in buildings, reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Robotics can also be used to automate tasks in manufacturing and agriculture, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Another potential impact of AI and robotics is the transformation of the entertainment industry. AI and robotics can be used to create more realistic and immersive experiences in video games and virtual reality. Robotics can also be used to create animatronic characters in movies and theme parks, bringing fictional characters to life in a new way. Despite these potential benefits, there are also concerns about the impact of AI and robotics on society and the economy. For example, there are concerns about the potential for AI and robotics to exacerbate income inequality, as those with access to these technologies may have a competitive advantage over those who do not. There are also concerns about the potential for AI and robotics to be used for military purposes, such as in autonomous weapons systems. To address these concerns, it is important to carefully consider the development and deployment of AI and robotics technologies. This includes investing in education and training programs to ensure that workers have the skills needed to adapt to the changing job market, as well as developing ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that these technologies are used in a responsible and transparent manner. One of the potential impacts of AI and robotics is the transformation of the financial industry. AI-powered algorithms can analyze large amounts of financial data, helping to identify patterns and trends that can inform investment decisions. Robotics can also be used to automate tasks in banking, such as customer service and fraud detection, improving efficiency and reducing costs. AI and robotics also have the potential to significantly impact the field of agriculture. Robotics can be used to automate tasks such as planting, harvesting, and crop monitoring, reducing the need for manual labor and improving efficiency. AI can also be used to analyze data on weather patterns, soil conditions, and other factors, helping farmers to make more informed decisions about planting and crop management. Another potential impact of AI and robotics is the transformation of the legal industry. AI-powered algorithms can analyze large amounts of legal data, such as case law and contracts, helping to identify patterns and inform legal decisions.